Hi, welcome to Yacht Video Boat Sales. This Comfort 30, boat name Libertina, was built in Sweden in 1979 and is for sale in Faro in Portugal. This boat is on a German flag and is ready to launch immediately for cruising. It has a fantastic reputation if you'd like to Google the Comfort 30 for speed and ocean safety. She's absolutely in pristine condition. She comes with everything that you need for cruising and living aboard. The forward cabin has been adapted for single handing. He's had some extra lockers put in which can easily be removed. He's told me that they can be removed within 2 hours. Just having a look at the mast here. Steps on the mast. It's got a new windlass, which I believe was fitted in 2009. As you can see on the stern here, davits and a solar panel. The solar panel I believe is 140 watt. The sunshade there actually with the spray hood all clips together to make a completely sealed cockpit area, which I'll show you some pictures of in a minute. But first we'll go around the hull. As you can see, all anti-fouled, ready to go. The engine and sail drive, which is a Volvo Penta, was all new in 2006 and it's only done 300 hours. It's a 20 horsepower. Feathering prop there. All new anodes on the boat. This boat is priced to sell and welcome to any survey. Forward looking echo sounder there, quite useful. And as you can see, the whole of this hull and the rest of the boat absolutely pristine condition, very well looked after. Teak decks. Let's have a quick look at the 2009 windlass. One of these anchors is a German design. I forget the make, I'm sorry. Now we'll have a look in the cockpit area. Plenty of room, tiller steering. Comes with autopilot. Stacker pack. Keep the main away. All the fabric on this boat, absolutely excellent condition, as you can see. And a good 6.5 foot clearance standing up. Comes with all the safety equipment. Everything you see is with the boat. And here's the spray hood actually turned into a complete cover. All the lines from the mast go into the cockpit for ease of reefing. And behind the spray hood there, which we'll have a look at in a second, is I believe 3 or 4 jammers on each side, controlling the lines. solar panel, I'm sorry, I did say earlier it was 140, it is 120 I believe. I just looked at my notes. Very well organised lines. And now we'll have a look at the storage in the cockpit. There's a side locker and a stern locker where the gas bottle and the house batteries are kept. And the tiller pilot there in its storage position. And here you can see the gas locker and also the battery storage and plenty of room. Right, just to mention, the winches, which are Luma Self-Tailor SD40s, are brand new and were fitted in this year, 2011. Now if you'd like to see the inside tour of the boat, please go to the website, and on the listing you will find the inside tour of the boat. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the second part of this video.